Hello guys, welcome to Code Blitz. Today we are going to develop a birthday card application. So in that application, we are going to create basically a splash screen. Then we will pass a name to some another activity, and then we will also play a birthday song for our friend. So let me tell you how our app is going to look. So I will open my app. This is the splash screen, and then here it is asking me to enter the name. So I will enter my friend's name, and I will also tell you that how you can send this application to your friend. Then I will click here. So you can see that when the song is playing. So let us begin. First of all, I will create a new project. So create. I will select here empty activity. Next. The name for the application, I will just write happy birthday. You can write whatever you want. Finish. Now the Gradle build will take some time to finish its build. So the Gradle build has finished. So let's start our development. So first of all, I will delete this text view. Okay. Now as we had seen that our app basically contains three activity. First is splash screen, and the second activity is basically the where you will input your name, and the third activity is displaying the happy birthday message. So for that I will create two more activities. One we already have, that is activity main activity main and main.xml. So file, we have to go on file, new activity, empty activity. Name for the activity, I will give birth1. You can give whatever name you want. Finish. Again I will go to file, new, go to activity section, empty activity. The name we will give birth2, and then finish. Okay, so you can see the two activities had been created, that is activity birth2 and activity birth1. Birth1, birth2. It is initializing, it will take some time. Okay, it has been loaded. So basically we will now basically paste the images in a drawable file that we had to display in our app. So for that I have saved that images in the desktop. I will just copy them, and then I will come to my app. In the I will left click the resource directory, and I will right click the drawable, and I will simply paste it. Okay, and refactor. All the images has been loaded, you can see. Okay, now the next thing what we want to do is we also want that for playing song we have to create a new directory. For that I will right click the resource, then new, then the new file we have to create a new directory, that is Android resource directory. Let's resource type select raw, then click here. Okay, now in this raw the directory you will basically paste this song. I have downloaded the song. I will just copy it from my desktop. Copy. Now come to this raw directory, right click it and paste it. Refactor. Okay, so basically all the contents what you want to show in your app has been brought up in your app. So now let's start up with our development. So basically firstly we have to develop the splash screen. So for that I will come in activity main.xml. Now I will basically drag here image view, and I will select the image, that is birthday display. Okay, let's drag it here and just change the layout width to the match parent, same with height match parent. Match parent, basically the width and height will be become equal to its parent height, that is constant layout. So now let's constraint it from left right, that is horizontally and vertically. Okay, so this will be our splash screen. Now basically when you will be building the app professionally, in splash screen you can use small logos, just like Instagram or Facebook. The procedure is same, just you have to change your image. So the next thing what I want is that after this screen the user should go to the next screen where he will enter the name. So we will now design the next activity. So for that I will again bring a image view. The decoration part is all up to you, how you want to do it. Okay, so just constraint it. Now I will just reduce the height. You can do it by dragging itself. I constraint it left right. Okay, happy birthday to. Okay, that's look good. Now what we want is we want to take the input from the user. For that we will use edit text. Go in text section. I will drag a plain text here. Now whenever you want to take the input you have to use the edit text, and for displaying the output you have to display it in text view. So let's constraint it horizontally and vertically. I will drag it here. Now we will just increase the size of this edit text. So in attribute section I will type size, and then the text size, let's select 30 sp. Okay, that look good. I will also change the color of this text view. So I will just sorry, of edit text, I will just type here color. It will show you text color. Now you can select whatever color you want. Okay, that's look good. Okay, now I will also drag one more image view. We will select this image. Now the designing part is all up to you, that how you want to design your application according to your project need. Okay, now basically we want that whenever we want to go from this activity to another activity, so for that I will now I will use the button view for going from this one activity to another activity. I will just constrain it horizontally and vertically. Okay, okay, now we will edit this button view from split section. Now we can edit it by using attribute also, but just to make you aware that we can do it from this also. I will use split screen. Okay, so first of all I want to edit my text. So basic, what is the button showing that text? So I will write here, click here to see your gift. Okay, the next thing what I will do, I will increase the size, text size. Let's make it 22 sp. Okay, now I will give the text color, the color of the text of the button, that is text color. Now I will use here black color. Basically the hexadecimal code for the black color is 6 times 0. Now if you don't know this hexadecimal code of the colors, you can just go in design section and you can search here color and You can search here color, you can come under text color and you can edit the text color. So the next thing what I want is I want to change the background color. So for that I will select background tint. First of all, let's write here background tint. Okay, now just select your white. You can see that the button view color has become white. Now if okay, the white color is looking good. So let's go to the another activity. So what we want is after user will click this button, he should go to the next activity. So that is activity bird2.xml. So what I want is I want here the name of the user which he has entered in this section. So for displaying the output we need a text view. So I will first drag the text view and I will just constrain it horizontally and vertically. Okay, I will go in split section. Let's increase the size of the text size and just make it 30 sp. Okay, color, I will select default color, that is purple one. You can also give style, text style. I want bold and italic. For and you use this and italic. Okay, that's all. You can edit this as name. Okay, now the next thing what I want is just to decorate our layout. I will use some image view. So I will drag an image view here. We will now select this image. Okay, I will just reduce the height and width. You can reduce this height and width from this section also, or you can just split it and you can reduce its height and width. You can see here. I will do it manually. Okay, that's look good. Just reducing it width. Okay, the width I will make just match parent, and then I will constrain it horizontally and vertically. Okay, I will just drag the name till bit. Okay, now it look good. Now basically what the purpose of making this birthday application is that I wanted to send it to my friend who is having his birthday tomorrow. So I have downloaded image of monkey just to tease him. So I will just put it here. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so yeah, I will also tell you that how you can send this application from it to your friend. I will just okay, that's look good. Just reduce some more height. Okay, it should work. Now basically we had completed with our designing part. Now let's start with our Java part. Okay.